pom-pom headband, first thing we need is a wool. Start rolling it around your fingers like so for hundreds of times. Once that is done, tie a tight knot at the center. Spread it evenly and start cutting the sides. Once your pom-pom is ready, stick the pom-pom on the same color of headband with the help of glue gun. Likewise, stick other pom-pom too and your very own pom-pom headband is ready. Next, to make glitter kitty headband. For this we need glitter foam sheet. Cut this in small rectangular shape like so. Then fold it in half and cut a triangle. Next, take same color of headband and first glue this from center. And next take it like so to form a kitty ear. And your very own kitty headband is ready in just 2 minutes. Last, to make floral headband. For that, take a rectangular cardboard piece, fold it from center and cut a triangle. Then again cut a triangle from inside. Take a headband and first glue it from center. And then glue the sides. Then take some paper flowers of same color matched to your headband. Cut these flowers and start sticking it on your kitty ears. Once you are done with sticking the flowers, your very own cute floral headband is ready. I hope this video remains helpful for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for amazing DIY videos. Thanks for watching.